The big family SUV you buy for power and space finally delivered on efficiency, tech, and quiet too? Meet the 2026 Nissan Armada.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into the updated 2026 Nissan Armada, a big family SUV that's now more efficient, more refined, and smarter than ever.
Gone is the thirsty old V8. This new V6 packs more torque, smoother shifts, and better fuel economy. Paired to a 9-speed automatic, it just surges down the road. Quick, confident,
and it's a completely different world. Massive screens, upgraded materials, and yes, USB-C ports in every row.
You've got ProPILOT Assist and Lane Change Assist working seamlessly here. It keeps you centered and confident.
If you tow, Nissan's made it smarter and simpler. Hitch alignment, trailer cameras, and even a built-in brake controller. And finally, that design. Bolder grille, new LED signature, and a cleaner, more aerodynamic look. The 2026 Armada?
26 Armada moves to a twin-turbo V6 tuned for big SUV duty. Strong low-end torque, quieter operation, and better fuel economy than the old 5.6-liter V8. It's a smarter
chargers. It's paired to a 9-speed automatic that's calibrated for smooth launches and confident passing.
Nissan power and torque meet or beat the old V8 with a fatter mid-range for everyday drivability. Available 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case means real low range control.
Targeted MPG improvement delivers real gains in city and highway driving without giving up capability. And on the road, the difference you feel isn't just power, it's the calm. Less engine thrash, more effortless surge.
Ride, quiet, and chassis tuning. The 2026 Armada benefits from revised body mounts, improved acoustic glass, and smarter suspension tuning. It's smoother over bumps, hushed at highway speeds, and more composed when the pavement.
The result? Less head toss over broken pavement, less tire slap on expansion joints, and a level of calm that makes long days easy.
Interior and tech. Open the door and the upgrade is obvious. You get bigger, brighter screens, real buttons for core tasks, soft touch materials where elbows live, and storage that finally keeps up with a family of 7 or 8. Large, fast infotainment touchscreen, 12+ inches, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Google built in on select trims. Fully digital driver display available. Clear trailer info and navigation prompts, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports in all 3 rows, and a household-style power outlet for laptops or a game console.
You also get a more confident braking feel. A larger pedal sweet spot makes for smoother stops, whether you're in traffic or towing. It's braking you can trust every time you need it.
Let's talk trims, pricing, and verdict. Think SV, SL, and Platinum, each designed for a different kind of driver. Here's how they stack up.
You want full-size space and real towing, but you're over noisy V8s and old-school tech? The Armada's new twin-turbo V6 and modern tech suite deliver both power and peace. Big capability, quiet.
You value a calmer cabin, smarter trailer tools, and updated driver assistance. You want a big SUV that feels new, not just new paint on the same bones.